Check out our newest Affiliate Manager update. Now you can sign up affiliates with new sign up forms. This feature enables the main affiliates to easily recruit and manage sub affiliates, enhancing your affiliate marketing efforts and expanding your sales network. I love the benefits of this feature update. Now you can really update your network and expand it and grow it. Now you can allow your primary affiliates to recruit sub affiliates, which is going to increase your reach and your sales. This is also going to streamline your management because now affiliates can manage and track their own sub affiliates directly within the CRM. It's also going to automate this process because now you can eliminate the need for manual sub account recruitment. When launching a new product, your primary affiliate can use sub affiliate sign up forms to recruit additional affiliates beneath them, which is going to really seriously expand your promotional reach and it's going to boost your sales. Let me show you exactly where this feature is located. First of all, this is a marketing feature, so it's going to be under the marketing tab on the left-hand navigation. Then you're going to go up to the affiliate manager and then into settings. Once you are in settings, you're going to go down and toggle on the sub-affiliate sign-up page. From there, let's go ahead and access the affiliate campaign. You'll go to the affiliate manager and then to campaign. Then you're going to go ahead and create a campaign or you're going to edit an existing one. Now let's enable the sub-affiliate sign-up page. So this is under additional settings and then the sub-affiliate sign-up page. Now let's go ahead and access the affiliate. So go to the affiliate manager and then go to affiliate. Now select the affiliate's name and copy the sub-affiliate sign-up link. What's great about this is this all can be accessed in the Access Client Portal area. And you're going to go to Menu and then they're going to go to Affiliates. Now we're going to go ahead and view that sign up link and any active sign up forms. And this is under the sub affiliates. This feature is going to empower your affiliates to help you grow your business efficiently by leveraging a much broader affiliate network. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.